Thank you, Roberto, and hello, everyone. Also from my end. The next topic, where we will also see other POCs from, is production. And over the last 10 years, we have seen not a gradual change in the relevant topic that the partners and plug-and-play has been looking into. 2016, the main topic was still Industry 4.0, so the early stages, right? Connecting IoT, building a good sensor landscape, connecting the data, and creating visibility in some early cases of predictive maintenance. This is the base layer for the next generation that we're seeing now, which is really AI-driven production. So we really see this move towards a more intelligent and integrated production landscape, connecting also the supply chain, and just generally being more flexible from digital twins to truly fully automated systems. And with that, we're going also into have a look into the next POCs.